Why should you buy our 4.2 meter lengths over our 3 meter lengths? Here's a few reasons. Number 1. Less joins. It goes without saying that if you have longer walls, you'll be better off with longer skirting boards. You'll have less joins, leading to a much more professional and clean finish. Less wastage. When you opt to use the 4.2 meter lengths for your architraves, you get less wastage than traditional lengths. Standard doors in the UK are 2 meters. You can cut a 4.2 meter length in half to be left with 2 pieces at 2.1 meters, which is perfect for installation as architrave legs. Easier to manoeuvre. Skirtings have been available in 5.4 meter lengths for a long time. However, it would be difficult to move around these in an average home in the UK, and they're also a lot heavier. 4.2 meter lengths were introduced to combat this issue, making them easier to handle and install. And that's a wrap on our video today. If you'd like to leave a comment for this blog, please do so in the comment section below. Otherwise, we will see you next time.